Relay. Honey, Relay. It's over here. 5161. This is us. Let's go inside. Oh, hi. Oh, you looking at yourself in the mirror, making sure you look cute? You do. You're cute. Okay, we're gonna give the room tour? Yes? All right. We're back at Adventura. We stayed here 2 years ago, Christmas. We had a deluxe queen room then. Now we have the standard queen. So we're gonna show you that. Standard view, standard 2 queen room. Right here when you walk in. Over to the left, very nice. Large full-length mirror so you can check yourself out. As Ronnie just did, make sure you look cute. Here's door when you come in. And then, Ernie right here, he's gonna show you, oh, we're gonna show the closet first? Okay, we're gonna show the closet first, which is over here on the right as you walk in. It's a real big closet. Really nice, very big. Up top, you've got your steamer, extra pillow and blanket. And then look at all this space down here for your luggage, and you got a luggage rack, ironing board, and plenty of hangers. Very good, very nice. All right, and as we make our way into the main room here, over here on the right, you have your coffee maker with your ice bucket and coffees. There's also a Starbucks downstairs if you prefer that. But this is just something to have in a room. And then down here you have your chiller, little mini fridge right here, plenty of space for storing beverages and anything that needs to be refrigerated. If you have something that needs to be frozen, Bell Services can take care of that for you. Got a little shelf up here for storage, and your safe in here, as well as 2 more pretty deep and good size shelves for storage. I like that a lot. Over here on the wall, you have the air conditioning controls, as well as a reading light. Got a couple of outlets and some USBs. Old-fashioned pen and paper, which I love because I like to leave notes for housekeeping to thank them for their hard work. So I love that they have a pen and paper in here for us to use, as well as your little Bluetooth speaker over here. Got a nice chair here, a little waste bin, little desk area if you need to do some work. And then this whole table out here, which also has 3 drawers. If you need to unpack, you've got 3 drawers here. Pretty good size for your storage. Unpack your clothes, stuff. Got a good chair over here. I have a little light. You can do some sitting. Pretty good size TV over here on the wall for entertainment. And then of course, the 2 queen beds. We'll back up so you can see. There we are. Looks super comfy. In the middle here, you have your iPad that controls all of the things that you need for the room, your lights, your TV. If you need to order anything from room service, use the iPad. And not room service, housekeeping, and anything from guest services, use the iPad, they help you out. You also have your telephone here in case you need to talk to anyone. And behind this light, more plugs and 2 additional USBs for your charging, which is wonderful. Little drawer, yeah, little drawer there. And that does not open, so just the little tiny one here for floor storage. And our view, I gotta say, not too bad. Not too bad. We have a view of the park. Yeah, look at that. See Islands of Adventure over there. That building right in front of us, that's Sapphire Falls. Stayed there previously, love that hotel. Just looking down here on the entrance of the Adventura Hotel. Right over the sign, very cool. But yeah, so we should be able to see a little bit of the fireworks. And there, if you look to the left, that's Cabana Bay. But straight ahead there, that's Hogwarts. So we should be able to see a little bit of the nighttime fireworks there. And perhaps some of the lagoon fireworks. We'll see. We'll let you know. So that's pretty good for a standard view room. You get a little nighttime entertainment. Not too bad. Yeah. Very pleased with this room. Looks nice. Happy to stay here again. Okay, and then making our way back over here, show you the bathroom. Got sink here, Really good size mirror. A little bit of counter space, not a ton for when you're getting ready in the morning. And then you also have down here is your hair dryer back there on that shelf, and some additional cups in case you need those for your water or beverages while you're in the room. Got more towels over here on the side, as well as your soap and tissues. A couple of outlets here if you need to plug anything in. And then over here in the bathroom, you have more towels up here on the rack, toilet over there, and a pretty good sized shower, which looks nice. Little rack over here for your towels. Shower head there up top. Got your shampoos and things right there if you need. And some little towels here on this bar. And this is gonna be great. I think this room's gonna be great. What do you think? I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed our little room tour.